First thing that I did was iron out the material. You don't have to do that, but I just liked how it looked. Yeah. Then I fold the material in half, then fold it another time, so it's like in a quarter, and then I drew like the half of the bag. You're seeing what I'm saying, so that's supposed to make more sense. But like I drew the half of the bag and even drew the cutout for the handle part. The next step is to just cut out the bag or the outline of the bag while it's still folded, so you have less to cut. And because the material is so thin, it's quite easy to cut. Yeah, just cut. Then you take the bag and flip it right side in. Flip it outside, right? Just flip it around and then sew the edges together. You can use a machine or you can hand sew. I just sewed it. I don't know what kind of sewing this is called, but I just sewed in and out. Yeah. To make the bag more secure, because it's such a thin fabric, I decided to do another stitch at the edges. I think it's called blanket stitch. So if you're an avid sewer, you'll know what this is. If you aren't, you just poke a hole, let the lube collect over one side, and then string the needle through that hole and continue. I hope I explained it well enough, but you're seeing what I'm doing in the video, so watch and learn, I guess. And do that to the entire bag once again. For the inside part, I just use the insert from where we cut it in half, and then fold it over and stitch it onto that part, just to make cleaner lines and add little more material for support. In order to wrap up the bag so that you can carry it around with you while it's still wrong side, front side, I attached the clasp from the umbrella to it so that I can fold it up.